It is pouring rain.
Yeah?
I have to pee so badly.
Yeah, me
I don't know how much video I'm gonna take today because I can't have my camera out in this kind of rain, but yeah, today and tomorrow, rain all day apparently. So I don't know how many miles we're gonna do today. We have an option of 8, 14, or 16. The 14 gets us to Davenport shelter, but apparently there's like a pretty big issue with bears there, and with the shelters getting so full so quickly and us tenting, I don't really know. I don't know what we're gonna do yet, so, and it also depends on how this weather goes, but we're just packing up and getting out of here as fast as we can.
So the trail is a creek. We just left Peck's Corner. I think that's what it's called. Peck's Corner shelter. And Gina looks like a wet rat. Hello.
My shelter.
Go. Enough of this. Alright, so we have made it to, what is that, Cobb Knob Shelter? Cosby Knob Shelter. And it's only like 9:30 in the morning.
We've gone 8 miles.
We're going like 8.7 miles, didn't we?
I don't know.
Which is kind of cool. But it's just gross. But we do it. I don't know why, but I can't help have a smile on my face. Look at this! What?
Be really careful.
Consider it done. What is it say?
We out. So I couldn't take any video with my camera yesterday because of the weather, and so everything that we have is on the GoPro. But yesterday was definitely interesting. When we were at the shelter the night before, there was no service, so we knew that the weather was not supposed to be good, but I don't think anyone had any idea that that amount of rain was coming. And it's the Smokies, which I know are notorious for bad weather and stuff, but I think it kind of caught a lot of people off guard. The trail flooded, like completely, totally flooded. And that was our first time hiking all day in that much rain, which was fine. I would just say that my least favorite part about hiking and stuff like that is initially getting out of your tent sucks. Just like laying there knowing that in about 5 minutes you're gonna be soaking wet it's just not fun. But then while I was walking, I didn't really care so much. Like, once you're soaked, and you just walk through it and you get used to it. But it's just mentally knowing that the next morning you're just putting on cold, wet clothes. No. But other than that, it was fine. Oh my God, why? But we had a really cool day in town today. We got a ride in from Smoky Mountain Angel, who picked us up at Davenport Gap and ended up being a subscriber of ours. And we didn't really put two and two together until we were in the car. In town, we were in Walmart today. And you know, we're like moseying around Walmart, just kind of killing some time. And this woman comes up behind us and she goes, "Are y'all hiking?" I can tell by the outfit of rain pants and Crocs. And I turn around and I look at her and I'm like, "You're Miss Janet. Miss Janet found us in the middle of Walmart today in Tennessee." So that was pretty awesome. She was hosting a party at Standing Bear Hostel for like Easter weekend, and we helped her pick out a whole bunch of eggs for like a egg coloring thing, and it was just really cool. And then she gave us a ride back to our hotel. So nice. But at any rate, we are climbing into bed and getting picked up in the morning.
Act like it.
Okay, we are here with our shuttle driver, Smoky Mountain Angel, and she lives locally and she rescued us from Davenport Gap the other day. Here she is.
Hey guys.
Her number is listed in Gut Hook at Davenport Gap, so if you ever need a ride,
Call me.
hit her up.
Happy Easter, guys.
Yeah, happy Easter. All right, we'll talk to you. When we ran into Miss Janet yesterday, she was just talking the magic of the trail instead of using the term trail magic. And I think what she meant is just those serendipitous moments where you run into people like we ran into each other yesterday. Just the way the trail kind of brings people together even when you're far apart, and how people end up getting to know one another. Where else, in what other setting are you going to be walking around in a Walmart and somebody's going to come up to you and you're going to end up like taking pictures together and exchanging a number, all because of the trail? So I think that that's one of the best parts. And then I think we're stealth camping tonight, and then tomorrow morning we are going to wake up early and night hike to watch the sunrise on Max Patch. And there is the trail up there. We got off on Green Corner Road a little bit too soon, so we started backtracking to the trailhead to get back on trail before reaching Standing Bear. And this school bus comes cruising down this road, and I see hikeryearbook.com, and there can only be one person that has that bus.
I was here playing music last night at the hospital.
Oh, that's awesome.
How was that last night?
So he opens the doors, and there's Odie, and he has another hiker there, and his dog pops out, and he was like, "You know Standing Bear is right behind you." And I was like, "Yeah, but we missed a section of trail, we're going back, blah, blah, blah." But we have finally reached the hostel in the middle of the woods. All right, so we have our package, and we are going to, I don't know where we're gonna dump this all out, but
I don't know. We're gonna have a box for it.
I know. We are currently getting our butts handed to us on the climb right before Max Patch. We have like 3 miles to go, and it's like a freaking eternity. Okay, in the spirit of keeping things real, I'm ready for today to be over. How about you?
Yeah, I mean the bottoms of my feet are a little sore, but my tendons are good.
Your tenderloins?
My tenderloins are still good. It was just a rough day.
We made it to Max Patch for sunset. It's really cold, but it's so beautiful.